Ito na.
po. Round 1 coming up. Meron tayong change in the judges. Hindi po si Doug Tucker. Dwayne Ford is a new third judge in this fight along with Guido Cavalieri of Italy and Glenn Trowbridge. Ito na ang laban.
Nasa nanatiling kaliwete si Manny Pacquiao trying to measure early itong si Eric Morales. Tignan nyo yung katawan ni Manny Pacquiao. Pansinin nyo kung anong klaseng armor meron to. He gets a glancing left. A deadly weapon from Eric Morales. Another hit by Eric Morales. Doon sa jab na yon, nasusukat.
Medyo quid out si Eric Morales. He might have had an opening there.
Di naman agad, kinito.
Ito,
Combination
yung
by Pacquiao.
Rapid fire combination coming from Manny Pacquiao.
And an early uppercut scored nitong si Manny Pacquiao using the left sa pagpasok nitong si Eric Morales. Kita mo ang respeto ng isa't isa kinito to what both fighters can do.
Chino, pumapasok si Eric Morales pero hindi pa siya bumibitaw ng kanyang kanan. Ha? Yun ang
Panikaliwa.
Yes, yan ang dapat paghandaan ni Manny Pacquiao.
Tinatago yung kanan.
Yung kanan ni Eric Morales, hindi pa natin nakikita, hindi pa bumibitaw.
Manny Pacquiao active and immediately going to the body. Alam mo na iniinda ni Eric Morales ang suntok ni Manny Pacquiao pag kumakatawan nito. And Eric Morales, of course, scouting Manny Pacquiao well. Magandang countering kinito nitong si Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao getting yung measure immediately of Eric Morales dito. Nakuha niya agad yung range.
Well, sa round na to, hindi pa natin nakikita yung vaunted left jab ni Eric Morales. Yun, nakita natin yung
Ganda.
jab pero hindi naman pumasok.
And Manny Pacquiao, that familiar lunging. Oh, naku yung kanan! Kinito!
Tumama
That
yung kanan.
was felt kinito nitong si Eric Morales. He gets tagged again by that right. And
Eto.
Manny Pacquiao goes with the left.
Si Pacquiao, mukhang tingnan niya si Eric Morales at nakikita niya may opening. Ito, sumugot si Morales.
Wow, what,
Hindi
what a
matabaan.
move kinito
Hindi
ni Manny
matabaan ni
Pacquiao.
Morales si Manny Pacquiao.
But he gets
Ayun.
tagged.
Ito na.
Pacquiao, a confident fighter. And Eric Morales unable to hit Pacquiao.
Nasa round 1 po lang tayo.
Nakita mo yung evasive move nitong si Manny Pacquiao doon sa suntok ni Eric
Well,
Morales.
ang sabi nga natin, no, yung footwork, yun ang dapat tingnan natin. Yung isang malaking pagbabago na dadali ni Manny Pacquiao sa loob ng ring. He has worked on his footwork.
Eric Morales at this early has felt the sting of the punches of Manny Pacquiao, and yet hindi pa power bombs yun kinito.
Sino mas maganda ang ginagalaw ni Manny Pacquiao in this first round?
And he gets another combination, a 1-2 combination to Eric Morales' face. Eric Morales backpedaling in the last 5 seconds. Ito yung sinasabi natin. Yung huling laban niya, naramdaman niya yung suntok ni Manny Pacquiao. Dito sa first round, nararamdaman niya, naririndi siya sa bawat ibinabato ni Pacman sa mga mukha niya.
Ito naman ang sasabihin ko as we take a look at the corner of Morales. Ang kanyang ama na si Jose Olivaritos Morales, nandyan na naman, binalik niya. Yung El Mago na tinatawag, the magician, si Miguel Diaz, the legendary Argentinian cutman and trainer who has worked with over 25 world champions.